Hi, it's Tanya here. I'd like to share with you this clock that we have in our bedroom next to our bed and why we like it. As you can see, it's a big, chunky design, big, chunky numbers, very simple design. If you're battling with your eyes, this is perfect because the numbers are so large. And in the morning, your eyes are often grubby, so you still can see because the numbers are large. So you won't have a problem with that. Very simple. It has the AM, PM, large numbers, and it has the date, the alarm set, and things like that. It has a large snooze button. I mean, you can see how large that is. Large snooze button at the top. So it's basically one press. You won't get confused with pressing anything else. We have it plugged in, but it can be battery. And it's a very simple design. Often you need a manual to work these things. If you need to change it or set something, it's really difficult. This is so easy because it's big, large buttons, just big, large, chunky buttons, and clear at the bottom. You set the time, 12 or 24-hour digital, the alarm on or off, and to set the alarm time. That is it. It is so easy, so simple, chunky, but it's a great clock. I mean, we have had it for, I can't even tell you how long now, but we've had it quite a while. And it just keeps going. Nothing wrong, very clear, very precise, simple design. I hope you love it like we do.